1811 4000। यही कंज्यूमर हेल्पलाइन।
जागो ग्राहक जागो।
Is a movement. In this movement, everybody is the same, is equal. Nobody is a winner, nobody is a loser. We have to participate, and we have been able to do that despite certain adverse happenings which you are all aware, and that is the spirit. That is the spirit of freedom. That is the spirit of adventure. It is the spirit of participation. It is the spirit for improvement. The theme which you all had depicted in your Nukkad Natak, an extremely powerful medium, whether it is sustainable development for our Mother Earth, conserve resources and still make progress, do not consume to demolish Earth, to demolish our sustenance, to make consumer aware of their rights, and finally to instill a sense of civic responsibility amongst all of us. I am very happy and very grateful to the organizers, Professor Khanna, all the participating teams to come here and give us this magnificent performance. I am quite sure that the judges probably are at their wit's ends to decide which age they would select and which age would tomorrow participate in the finals. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.
Judges panel to let us have their result while we wait.
Yes, but before that, we would like to hear it from Professor Khanna. A big round of applause, please. May I request him to kindly say a few words of encouragement on behalf of the Department of Consumer Affairs and Voice.
On behalf of the National Consumer Helpline and Consumer Voice, I'm grateful to you, sir, because without the support of the Ministry of Consumer Affairs to these two projects, this event would not have been possible. We have a course on consumer affairs which is being taught in 2 colleges. Here you have seen today more than a dozen colleges, dozen and a half colleges. It is our wish that as we go along with these projects, we should spread awareness through educational institutions, organize consumer clubs in institutions, organize drama groups in these colleges, and have these performances all over the city and if possible all over the country. And these 18 teams who have actually come here today are the evidence that young people are enthusiastic if they are given guidance and leadership and support by NGOs and consumer organizations and university systems. The movement can grow to quite a big public impact. And it is our endeavor that the H.D. Shourie Memorial Trophy, which has been instituted, will be carried on from year to year. And we have also announced today to create an inter-college university level Nukkad team which can hold performances at various public places or markets in the future. So these are some of the initiatives, and there are several teachers here today along with their student groups who have promised to spread the movement to those institutions which have not yet adopted the idea of consumer clubs or consumer affairs courses in the college. So I'm hoping, are the judges, is the result ready? One more. Is it ready?
On her way, I'd like to quickly reintroduce you to our judges. In teams के स्पिरिट की और जोश की दाद तो देनी ही पड़ेगी, लेकिन उससे भी ज्यादा दाद इन जजेस की देनी पड़ेगी. There are 6 of them. आज सुबह से ये भी लगातार टीम्स के साथ ही डटे हुए हैं. Well, that's the lady who's made all this action possible, Ms. Rupa Vajpayee. She's from Voice. To know that you're here. All right, ready? The college teachers, the faculty who have put in so much, who responded to our call to send the children, and the children who have overcome so many difficulties that I cannot even begin to explain to you. In last night, half the university had broken their legs, their heads, They all wanted to back out, but here we are, and we've done it, and done it so well. Three cheers for all of you. So what are the lessons we are learning here? You are here, and the show goes on.
Prize winner will take home, apart from the cash prize, it will take home, each person will take home one iPod each.
The time has come when, for which all of you have been waiting and you have worked hard. I shall be announcing the names, not in the order, the names which 8 colleges the judges have found the best in terms of their performances for tomorrow. Miranda. Very fine performance. My congratulations. Venkateshwara. Is Venkateshwara not very popular as Miranda?
Venkateshwara probably is not here, that's why the cheering is not that loud, sir.
Cheering is not loud, they are not here. PGDAV evening.